Test 1, 2.
I got you.
I got you loud and clear. Link County traffic, Cessna 5085 Kilo, taxiing to runway 23, Link County.
Lincolnton, Lincoln County Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 2303. Zulu weather, wind 250 at 5, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 18 Celsius, dew point -1, altimeter 3000.
Coyote 2390 Papa turning final for 23 Lincoln County.
Link County traffic, Cessna 5085 Kilo, departing runway 23 to the west, Link County. Okay. Get final?
Final's clear. Lincoln County traffic, Coyote 2390 Papa turning left downwind, Lincoln County.
Got him in sight. Final. Hey, right rudder. Speed alive. Oil pressure is fine. Rotate. Oh man, I missed it.
I'll let you enjoy the moment for a minute before I kill your engine.
I appreciate it.
Sorry about Rock Hills on final. Yeah, we got you on rest stop.
County traffic, Cessna 5085 Kilo, departing the pattern to the west, Link County. Carry 2 seconds or so.
Alright, what's first things first?
Well, 70 knots.
Is it 70?
From 470. Here's a good space.
Alright.
Or there. I'll take that one.
What's something else you could be doing right now?
Sorry?
What's something else you could be doing right now?
Magnetos, which I could start back on and off.
Yep.
Could check power, fuel.
Yep, we already know. Do mixture's rich.
If it was just rough, I could check for a carb.
Yep.
Pretty much it, what I could do, right?
Grab that checklist real quick. So you pretty much just ran through that part right there.
Right.
So if no restart, it's squawk 7700, get on 121.5, declare an emergency. Right. Stuff like that. Just little stuff you wouldn't really think about. All you're focused on is really landing.
Alright.
But once you land, you might want to get a little bit of help too, right?
Absolutely.
The way to do it.
Should I continue?
Yep, we'll go ahead and continue.
Oh man, that feels odd that I'm not allowed to touch it. Alright, I'll go now, flaps.
back. Good job. Good. First
Traffic
notch up.
holding short of Rock Hill. We're still 10 miles on the approach, so you have time to depart if you want.
And you still got to get positive, right? You got to take that last little bit of flaps up. Good deal. Yeah, I don't know. For the high glass, you're going to slow down a lot faster, for sure. As long as you just keep that stick back, or yoke back, I think you should have probably been okay. Alright, once we hit 3,000, go ahead and get set up for steep turns. We'll do steep turns first. Good job.
Thank you.
Alright, let's do slow flight.
Turn out your flaps. And third one.
Alright, go ahead and give me a left turn back to the north.
Back to the north. Yeah, left.
Here's what I was wanting to say before, okay?
Yeah.
Keep this north heading. Let's transition this to a power off stall. So go ahead and push that nose down, maintain about 60 knots.
Okay.
And then for the recovery, you're going to recover with no power.
Never had that.
I know you haven't. That's why I want to throw it at you.
Okay.
Alright? So go ahead and pull back just a little bit of power. Go ahead and push that nose over like you're going in for a descent.
Okay. Oh, just a little bit, you're saying?
Yep, just like for a little descent, like you'd be coming down to land.
Okay.
And let's say, oh man, we are way high. The ground's going to be 3,300 feet, okay? So we're going to go ahead. I got your power. I'm going to control all your power so you aren't
You got
going
the
to be
power?
tempted. Alright, let's go ahead and go pull it back up. Here's the ground. We're about to smack the ground. Pull it back up. Kind of flare. Oh, we were ballooning a little bit. Let's say we had no engine. We were overshot here.
Star warning. Pull further.
I think you got us like a falling leaf. There it goes. Yep.
Okay.
So that more or less, stuff back to you. And you can just work your flaps back up as you please.
Okay.
That more or less, like say, if we lost an engine or something like that, you're way high on a final, you're about to come in for a field, something like that. You pull back too much, balloon it, and now what? You got that little like balloon it up, you're running out of energy. That's kind of what I want you to just kind of see a little bit. Let's go ahead and head back to the airport. But actually, you got an engine fire.
Okay. In that case, nose down.
Hey, coordinated.
Mixture. Tank.
Tank just a little bit more.
120.
Make a little bit more than 30 degrees. Keep that positive V. Good. Good. Better start pulling that nose back up. Fires out. Alright. Get us on back to KIPJ.
Lincolnton traffic, Cessna 5385 kilo, 5 miles out to the north west, inbound for landing, runway 23. Aiming for a midfield crossing at 2,500. Lincolnton. County traffic Cessna 5385 kilo, midfield crossing at 2,500 north to south, Lincoln County. Alright, gonna make a teardrop.
Okay.
Or not.
Alright, get us back to the upper runway.
Alright. Okay. Best gliding speed.
Lincoln traffic Skyhawk 535 kilo is simulated engine out runway 23 Lincoln. That was funny. Alright, we'll do a teardrop. Or not.
Bit far out.
But we're at we're 500 foot above the pattern. I don't think it's going to be a huge deal. I think you should easily be able to even swing out maybe a little bit farther before you start coming back in.
Okay.
Did I get that pattern right all the way? There's still a bit left. I gotta start getting some flaps and stuff in there, right? But you're gonna be pretty high. You're still 200 foot above pattern on the base.
Gonna slip a little.
Okay.
Okay, last notch of flaps.
Alright, let's do a touch and go. You're fine.
Touch and go.
Okay, try to kick 5 kilo, touch and go, 23, left close traffic, Lincoln.
And rotate. Get a pattern?
Yeah, we'll stand the pattern.
Okay. Lincoln County traffic, Cessna 5385 kilo, Crosswind runway 23, Lincoln County.
Lincoln traffic, Scout 505 kilo, is simulated in and out runway 5, Lincoln. Alright, go ahead and start cranking this thing around.
Alright.
Okay, go and maintain best ride. Yep, hand on throttle is fine right now because just in case something does happen, I want you to be able to get outside of it, right?
Gotcha.
Really good.
So, flaps. That was news.
Hard enough, that'd have been an easy accelerated stall. It'll turn into a snap roll pretty much straight spiral
Okay.
down to the ground. So that was really good what you done.
How high have we been?
1500.
Good man, that's
So how I typically fly
yeah.
is I'll stay on the upwind until I hit 1500. I noticed you've been turning at 13, which is okay if that's what you want to do. But I stay at 15. Whenever I hit 1500, I'll turn left crosswind. So I know at 1500, I'm 100% sure I can make it back to the runway.
Gotcha.
So I know if I'm still upwind, I need to pick something else straight ahead.
That's a great rule.
Yep. If I'm turning crosswind, I know I can make it.
I like that.
So I'm always 700 AGL before I make a turn.
That's fantastic. I like that. I think I'll apply that in the future as well.
Just try it, see what you think.
Lincoln County traffic, Cessna 5385 kilo, departing runway 23, Lincoln County. Okay, final. Okay, airspeed alive. All pressure is fine, all temperature is fine.
Lincoln County traffic, line 1300,